We are here at the Persian New Year Festival that happens once a year here in Scottsdale in March. And we're here just showcasing some of our beautiful clothing lines and our jewelry that we keep in our boutique. We're a beauty lounge, and that means we're a salon, a spa, and we're also a boutique. We sell our items. We're a store. We actually we get these clothing, we go to LA, we go to all of the markets, we pick out these different items, we order them, they get sent to us. They've all been handpicked by us, and we brought in a local brand, Wet Hot Couture, as well, and then we're showcasing them, and people are loving them because they're beautiful clothing.